Hi, this is Kailash. I'm a science graduate and a teacher by profession. I've spent some 10 years teaching math and science to grades 9 and 10. I was looking for some alternative, some changes, and switched to other field and came across this business of security systems. When I thought of getting training for it to know its technical part, the first name I came across was SkillMumbai, and was convenient for me to travel to this place. I recently completed my diploma course here. I'm happy to share my opinion not just as a student of SkillMumbai, but also as a teacher. When I look at the teaching style of Lakshman sir, I found him quite creative in his teaching strategies. Now, learning the security system and knowing how English is a part of our education system, you really can't expect to translate every concept and terminology into Hindi, especially for vernacular medium students. But explaining in Hindi and giving a tadka with examples, I think that's the USB of sir's teaching method. Speaking is one good skill that every teacher acquires, but listening is that skill which only best teacher acquires. Lakshman sir patiently listened to all the doubts and never avoid any questions. Even my batchmate will agree with this. Being patient is not everyone's cup of tea. At last, I would also suggest, sir, make this course schedule convenient for working class as well. Many like me, we need a change and want to upgrade to a better version of ourselves. Thank you, sir, and keep guiding us.